By the end of this video, you will have a fully functioning personal AI assistant that lives on your phone and responds instantly to texts. We are using Hermes Agent. This is an open-source AI that runs 24/7 on your own private infrastructure. It remembers your specific preferences, learns how you work, and can run scheduled automations entirely in the background. I am going to walk you through the exact steps to get this set up. We will start with absolutely zero infrastructure and end with a fully deployed Hermes agent operating right in your messaging app. To follow along, you need 4 things: a virtual private server from Hostinger, an active ChatGPT subscription, the Telegram mobile app, and a blank notepad document. Most web-based chatbots wake up without any memory of who you are. Owning a private server changes that dynamic. You aren't just renting a generic chat window, you are deploying a secure digital employee that retains your business context. Our first step is to acquire the digital real estate that will house the AI securely. We need to set up a virtual private server, or VPS. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the VPS deployment section. Select a KVM2 instance, which provides enough memory and power to run the agent smoothly. When prompted to choose an operating system, select Ubuntu. This gives us the stable, Linux-based foundation required for the deployment. Complete the checkout process and wait a few minutes. Check your main Hostinger dashboard until your new server status clearly displays as active. With the server active, we install Hermes via a one-click Docker deployment. This creates an isolated, containerized AI environment inside your server. Open the Docker Manager, search Hermes Agent, and click Install. The system immediately generates an admin username and password. Stop right here. Copy that admin username and password and paste them into your open Notepad document before you hit the final deploy button. These specific credentials grant you the only root access to the AI's core controls. If you lose them, you lose access to the container, and you will have to wipe the server and start this entire project over. The Hermes software is now installed, but it currently lacks a brain. Our next objective is to log into the container and connect a large language model. In your Docker Manager, click the Open button next to the Hermes container. When the terminal prompts you, authenticate using the exact admin username and password you saved to your notepad. Press Enter to begin the quick setup process. The system will ask you to choose an inference provider. Select OpenAI Codex from the list. The terminal will generate a specific authorization URL. Click that link to open the ChatGPT authentication portal in your web browser. Logging into OpenAI sends a secure request to verify your identity, issuing a one-time 9-digit handshake code. Copy that code from your browser, switch back to the server terminal, and paste it into the prompt. Hit Continue to lock it in. You will now be prompted to select a model. Choose GPT 4.5 or your preferred available tier to finalize the AI's cognitive configuration. Using the Codex connection routes the agent's logic through your standard ChatGPT subscription. This bypasses the traditional pay-per-token API structures, allowing you to run a highly capable AI 24 hours a day without accumulating massive bills. The brain is online. The final setup phase is giving your AI a direct communication interface, so you can reach it anywhere via a mobile messaging app. Back in the Hermes terminal, the setup menu will ask for your preferred messaging channel. Select Telegram and hit Enter. Now open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Use the search bar to find the official utility account named @Blafather. Send the message /newbot to start the creation process. The botfather will ask you to assign a display name and a unique username for your new assistant. Once the name is accepted, the botfather will reply with an HTTP API token. Copy that exact token and paste it into the Hermes terminal. Your bot is technically live, but its gateway is currently open to anyone. We need to execute an immediate security lockdown so it only responds to you. Search Telegram for @userinfobot. Send it a message, and it replies with your personal numeric Telegram user ID. Copy that number, return to your server terminal, and paste it when prompted for the home channel ID. Confirm the entry. Binding the bot strictly to your user ID builds a firewall. It ensures unauthorized users cannot hijack the private AI, scrape your personal data, or rack up heavy server computation limits by spamming your bot. It is time to test the connection. Open the specific Telegram bot chat you just created and send a simple "hello" text. Look at the top left corner of the chat interface. The appearance of the typing indicator confirms the server is actively parsing your prompt. When the AI replies with its detailed introductory message, it confirms that the handshake between your server and the Telegram network is complete. Your immediate next task is to start talking to Hermes. Spend 10 minutes explaining your goals and your daily workflows. The agent uses this conversation to automatically build out its core soul file and adapt to your style. The next evolution of this build involves connecting a private GitHub repository. This gives your agent long-term backup and the ability to execute complex, scheduled automations while you sleep. We will cover that configuration in the next technical breakdown, so hit subscribe and I will see you there.